Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our entertaining human quiz show. While humans often discuss animals, let's switch gears and explore the world of humans today. Are you all ready for the quiz?
Feathers crossed, everyone.
Absolutely, I'm all prepared.
No peanuts until I win!
Great enthusiasm, team. So, our question today is, why do humans put empty food containers back in the fridge? Harry, any insightful guesses?
Oh, Max, it's an advanced strategy keeping the fridge full of hope. They're growing optimism inside, you see.
Absolutely. Cultivating hope in every corner of the fridge. Lulu, what's your take on this intriguing phenomenon?
Clearly, Max, it's their way of inviting fridge ghosts. Empty containers serve as ghostly homes, spooky and cold.
Brilliant. Ghost lodgings in the fridge, nothing screams haunted hunger better. Jumbo, your unique perspective?
Max, it's a brilliant conservation technique. Empty containers serve as camouflage. No one checks an empty container, right?
Indeed, a stealthy move in the battle of fridge visibility. Well, viewers, behold the genius of humanity. Fridges filled with hope, ghosts, and hidden treasures. Human can be strange sometimes, but we all love them.
If you're up for
More human quiz?
Please like!
And subscribe.